Yo, welcome back. Hey, what's up? Okay, sorry. I look crazy with my hood on. It's Monday morning. We just got back, well, we got back from the gym like an hour something ago. And I was working on like my to-do list for the week. Like I broke it into like things that I really need to get done this week for work, for YouTube, for my Etsy shop / the podcast, and like home stuff. And so I was working on this list, and like I have a lot to do this week, and I enjoy vlogs that are like kind of getting my to-do list done vlogs. So I figured I would just vlog like over the course of the week, me getting stuff done. So I hope you guys are down for that because we have quite a bit that we need to do. One thing that I wrote down is I was telling Zoe when we were in the gym today, I was like, I'm really like all this halfway to Halloween stuff that like Disney is posting and everything is like making me crave Halloween. I literally listened to the Nightmare Before Christmas soundtrack during the gym today. I'm literally wearing a Nightmare Before Christmas sweatshirt today. Like I'm just craving it. So I think part of what I'm going to do in my to-do list is plan a couple of like halfway to Halloween videos. So I hope you guys are down for that because I just really miss Halloween, and my Halloween content always does really well on the channel. So I know you guys hopefully enjoy it. So yeah, I'm gonna do some brainstorming and come up with a couple things that we can do for like a little halfway to Halloween celebration. I was thinking like 3 to 5 videos depending. Maybe a couple Halloween themed makeup looks or some cooking videos because I know a lot of y'all enjoy seeing me fail at cooking. Well, baking really. Cooking I'm pretty decent at, but it's the baking ones that always seem to bite me in the ass. So yeah, I just think that would be fun. So I hope you guys are game for that because I think we're going to do that. But yeah, so this is just going to be like a let's be productive, let's knock out the to-do list vlog, and I hope you guys are down for that. For now, I need to check. I haven't even checked my work calendar today to see what meetings I have. Oh, I only have one meeting today, this afternoon. Oh wait, I don't have a meeting today. My boss canceled it looks like for some reason. So I don't have any meetings today, which is great. Love when that happens. It just gives me a little bit more freedom to figure out how I'm going to plan my work day when I don't have any meetings, because I don't have to plan my tasks around being available at certain times, so it's nice. So anyways, I'm going to go get some makeup on and kind of get ready for the day because I think I do want to film a video later today. So I'm going to run and do that, and then I'll see you guys back here in a little bit when we start getting some stuff done. So let's do it. Seriously, something about like making your bed and like getting like truly ready for the day makes such a difference. Like I just like whenever I actually put effort into my appearance, even if it's just like makeup, like I'm really just wearing like a lavender crop top, leggings, and like some socks. Like I'm not dressed to the nines, but like actually having like a face of makeup that I feel pretty in, and like even just throwing in some earrings. Like I didn't even do anything fancy with my hair. I did like a crappy little like half bun, but like it's styled, you know what I mean? So it's like it just feels like I did something, and it makes me feel so productive. So yeah, we're gonna head downstairs. I'm gonna take a load of laundry down so I can get that in because I do need to do some more laundry because I'm a little bit behind on that, and I'm probably gonna finish up the dishes and then get started with a couple of work things that I need to do. So let's do it. All right, y'all, I need to get some work for my day job done, so I'm going to do that, and I'm not even gonna bother to film it or time lapse it because I feel like we have a lot of to-dos to do in this video, and I don't want it to be a million years long, so I'm just gonna go work. And I'll see you guys probably in a couple hours. I've got quite a few things to do, so see you in a bit. It is a good while later now. It's like already 3 o'clock and this day is like flying by, which is really annoying because I feel like I have so much to do. But I uploaded multiples of our podcasts, got a video uploaded, did a couple of work things, and I also brainstormed some halfway to Halloween content ideas. So I've decided I'm going to bake an Oogie Boogie themed cake, which I'm very excited about. So I don't know when I'm gonna film this stuff. Hopefully like throughout this week so it can upload like next week. That would be great. But yeah, slowly getting through the list. Right now I'm going to take up a little laundry that's done and fold that. And then who knows? Hey.
Hey, sorry, I didn't want to get your clip.
Oh no, you're good. You know I don't care.
Hey.
Hey. You guys, I literally meant to film my to-do list, getting my to-do list done, and then I forgot to film it. But I did the laundry. I recorded a podcast with Zoe, and now I'm working on ears. So sorry, this is like the worst to-do list vlog ever, but I'm working on ears. I did a thing. It's the next day, and I don't know, I've just been getting really freaking excited for Halloween. And so I decided to go ahead and plan out some of my content. And then I had a very intense realization that I typically start planning or filming my videos for Halloween in August, because I have to like get ahead of schedule if I'm going to get all of the videos that I want to get out, out, because there's just no way I can film them like the day or even the day before they're uploading, especially since some of the videos are like involve more like going to the store and getting ingredients and baking something for 3 hours and whatever. And so I realized that if we're planning on selling the house late July, early August, hopefully, that means we'll be moving into our next house, hopefully mid-August, which means I'm going to be focused on moving, unpacking, settling in, all that sort of stuff. Probably barely getting out my Decorate With Me videos the beginning of September, because like I'm going to be unpacking my house with like normal people stuff, not just necessarily Halloween decor. So I realized I can give myself some extra time if I go ahead and start recording some of my Halloween videos, which is crazy. I get that. It's April. But if you think about it, we need to put the house on the market in early June, which means we need to get pictures done in early June. It's almost May. So if I'm gonna have like, okay, let me preface by saying I don't want to not have a Halloween background at all in some of my sit down videos. So I decorated my bookcase for Halloween, but I don't think that the most inviting vibe is having skulls and old books and potions and whatever on my bookcase, which means I need to get all of these videos that I want to pre-filmed throughout the month of May so I can repack this up, restyle this bookcase to look like a normal person's before pictures happen in early June. Is all of this making sense? Do I need to put like a graphic up of this timeline? So I literally just decorated my bookcase for Halloween using whatever I could find in the like easy to access Halloween boxes. I wasn't gonna pull down like the big one that like weighs like 60 pounds. I wasn't gonna like do, I don't know, I pulled out what I could, but I think it actually does look pretty cute. It's not as like overly decorated as I would have it like with creepy cloth and webs and all that sort of stuff like I would do if it was actually Halloween. But I think it will serve the purpose of providing the spooky vibes we need for Halloween sit-down videos. So I even went so far, because you guys know I love my Halloween nails, I even went so far as to grab a pack of my, these are not that Halloween. I figured I didn't want to do like jack-o'-lantern nails, considering again, it's April. So they're just like oil slick. But I even went and grabbed some of my Spirit Halloween nails so that I could be fully in the Halloween spooky spirit, even though I'm filming these videos literally in April/May. So anyways, it's going well. Had a super productive day at work today, knocked out a ton of stuff, and then Zoe and I are going to hit hard on the website updates that we've been trying to make but just have been too busy to like really focus on starting tomorrow. Zoe and I are gonna film a video for her channel dyeing her hair red tonight. I also I have some ear orders to get out. I think I'm gonna wait and do those tomorrow because I just don't feel like making ears tonight since I did that last night. So once I kind of get my bearings, film this video with Zoe, I'll probably decide later what else I'm gonna get done tonight. But yeah, I'll update you guys. But I mean, Halloween content is coming super freaking soon, which is crazy. At least I'm gonna start working on it. I also went ahead and started designing my intro and my outro for my Halloween videos this year, so it's crazy. Anyways, all right. That was the update. I'm gonna go figure out what I'm doing with my life. Give me a minute. So we just finished filming Zoe's hair video. She's doing like a dyeing her hair red with like a temporary dye video. So go check it out and see how we got these results. Okay, that's one thing crossed off the list. But this is like not a list to get done tonight. This is like a list of just like things that I want to do. So honestly, I'm hungry. So I think we're gonna head downstairs. Yeah, and make some din din. And then I'll work on some of this stuff. A lot of it's Halloween still related.
I just realized that I was in your camera taking this, like getting ready to take a selfie, and I was like, that's not cute. Please edit me out.
I'll just blur your face. That's not Zoe.
Who did you think that was?
You don't know who that is. You don't know who that is. Look, can you tell who that is? No. You can't tell who that is. That's not Zoe. It's like almost 10 p.m. Zoe's reading her book. And I'm using TubeBuddy to figure out all of the titles for my Halloween videos. I'm trying to make things as proactive and as easy as possible for my future self. So doing this now so I don't have to do it later. Okay. I don't know why I'm the way that I am.
You heard me do my intro and outro.
Like,